안녕하세요, 잭스파입니다. 오늘은 사실은 바깥에 일을 해야 되고 하는데 또 오늘 이웃에 김장하는 날이에요. 그래서 뭔가 도와드리고 그 일날 일 원할 때 또 비가 오면 기분 좋죠. 어차피 일을 못 하니까. 근데 하여튼 같이 도와드리고 저도 김장 좀 얻어오고 오늘 좀 즐거운 시간이 될 것 같아요. 자, 그럼 한번 가보겠습니다. 몇 폭이에요? 한 100폭이?
감사히 먹겠습니다.
잘 먹겠습니다. 너무 맛있겠다.
생각나면 또 달라 그러는데 운전은 아주 엉망입니다.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down.